To access your online new student orientation modules, you're first going to visit memphis.edu and you'll find yourself on our homepage. Then you'll notice the eCourseware link on the bottom left of the screen. You're going to want to click that. You will log in using your University of Memphis credentials, which is the same information you used to register for orientation. Mine were saved on this computer, so it took me directly to eCourseware. Once you're inside the eCourseware, you'll see a tab on the center of the screen that says My Courses, just like this. You should only have access to one new student orientation module, whereas on my screen, you will see all of the modules for the summer. You will need to go to Fall 2020 and click the new student orientation course to which you are assigned. Then you will access the course. So this here is your main landing page. We have a message giving an overview of how to complete the course and what all is required to be completed. From there, you will click on Content. This is where you'll access the different modules that you will need to go through to complete for your virtual new student orientation. So you're going to click on Content. And this will take you through each individual module. There are 8 modules that are required that with an accompanying quiz. The 9th module, we encourage you and your parents or guardian to complete together. That one is optional, but that will provide some parent and family specific information. So as you can see here on the left, we have the table of contents. This is where you will see all of the modules for you to complete. So the first module is the welcome. I'm just going to go in and show you how this will work. And there are 2 videos. You must click here to view the video. We'll open here. I'm not going to view it because I'm going to let you do that, but you can see how each corresponding module will have video content and presentation content. Please pay close attention and review all of this information as it's very relevant to your time as a student at the University of Memphis. You'll need to go through each specific piece, as you can see here. So each module will have a set of videos, and like I said, be sure to complete the quiz at the end so that we can see that you've completed your module. We do have access to see what has been completed, and we will be monitoring that. Once you have completed the modules, all 8, an automated notice will go to your academic advisor, and your academic advisor will reach out within 3 to 5 business days to schedule an advising appointment. Please wait to contact them as they'll be reaching out to you. Be sure that you're checking your personal and your Memphis email account, as we will be contacting you using both. Once you've finished everything, you will receive more email notification from our office regarding next steps, including financial aid meetings, how to get your new student ID, and all of those additional pieces. Keep in mind that we will have an in-person orientation that we are going to provide more information about later in the summer as we determine what the social distancing policies for the fall will look like. That will take place August 21st and 22nd, and you will receive more information. That'll give us a chance to hopefully meet in person, give you a chance to get to know some other students, and interact with some of our campus departments. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our office at orientation@memphis.edu or 901-678-5513. Good luck with your virtual orientation and welcome to the U of M family. We can't wait to meet you.